Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me / cleaning motivation. So if you do like these type of videos, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. Okay, so usually when I start in the kitchen, I would start by just putting away all of the clean dishes, emptying out the dishwasher, and then I'll go ahead and start on the dirty dishes. Okay, so here I am just stacking the dishes up to the left so that I can go ahead and let this water out and rinse out the dishes and begin to load them into the dishwasher. So you see I'm just rinsing off the dishes, wiping off any food that may be on the dishes, and just loading them into the dishwasher. Now I am just running some clean dishwater so that I can go ahead and wash up the remaining dishes that were not able to fit into the dishwasher. And then I'm going to just stack them in my dish rack. So now I'm just straightening out the kitchen, putting away anything that needs to be put away, wiping down the counters, and just straightening up everything. Okay, and to finalize this kitchen, now I'm just putting all of the dry, clean dishes away, and then I'll get started on the dining room. Okay, so this is the final results for the kitchen. And now I am just going to start putting things away in this dining room and just getting everything all picked up and cleared out. Okay, so now that everything is all clear here in the dining room, I am just wiping down the table and the chairs, getting everything all cleaned up. So here I am just straightening out and organizing this bar stool area and wiping down the counters.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how.
Okay, so this is the final look for the dining room, and now for the final part of this video, I am going to be cleaning up the living room. I'm starting here by just picking up everything that is out of place and just putting everything back in its proper place. This is some mail that we have, so I'm just organizing, going through it, kind of organizing it so I can put it away.
Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days ahead.
So there's not much that I really do here in the living room. I'm basically just going to be sweeping the floor and then wiping down the entertainment center, just making sure that everything is neat and organized.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Okay, so to finish up the living room, I'm just wiping down the entertainment center and straightening out the decor. Okay everyone, so that is it for this clean with me video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And you guys have a blessed day.